I'm at the Lindos Grand Resort and Spa. Let's have a look around to see what it's like. As you see when you come in, there's a bit of a hairpin bend there. There's a security guard there looking after us all. As you come in, there's a rental place just there, which is handy. Rented the car from there during the stay. Just down here is the reception on the right hand side. And over there on the left hand side there is the shop, which is very handy. I've seen a few people do videos of this place and nobody's mentioned the shop, but there it is over there. And then outside to the pool area. It's quite early this morning because we're off on a little tour. Through there is the main sort of restaurant area where you have your breakfast and you have your dinner and lunch if you're full board. Lovely sunrise this morning. Just out onto the infinity pool, which you can see here. And a lovely view over the bay. This is Lika Beach. Loads of other resorts and hotels over there. Beautiful sunrise. Some lounge area here as well. Plenty of sunbeds. Just here you can see the seating area. Have entertainment on an evening. Over there. Through reception you will see the hotel bar, and they'll make you a drink in here during the day if you want to have one brought out to the poolside. And of course you've got resident putty cats, which are everywhere and they're so cute. There's another little one down there rising. Yeah, that's so cute. They're everywhere. If you like cats, you're going to love Lindos. The hotel consists of a total of 189 rooms and suites, various styles. There's 77 suites with L-shaped private pools, which is one of the ones we had, which we'll see in a bit. But there's various different ones. Some have pools, some don't have pools, depending on your budget. The hotel also has 6 different restaurants, most of which you'll find directly underneath the swimming pool, you can see there. And then there's a really high-end suite which is upstairs on the top just to the right of the pool, and that's I think it's a tasting menu. But downstairs you've got Japanese, you've got Greek fish restaurant, you've got an Italian, really wide range choice of food. We ate there a couple of times and we're very impressed.
This is you walk into the room, a little sitting area here, and you can look out of there to whatever's out there. There's not a lot. Into the hotel, and then we have a little air conditioning control there, and into the main room. As you come in, you have coffee and tea making facilities. Really classico, and I think you have to pay for these. You want them replenished, but we'll suss it out later. A couple of bottles of water, some vino. It's very nice. A nice little safe. Some slippers, hairdryer for my hair, which I haven't got, and then there's a couple of nice looking robes. I think this is a mini bar, which would probably be just used as a fridge while we're here, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, just a fridge, it's great. Very good. Some drawer space there, 2 drawers I think, or is it only one? Yeah, I think it's only one. And then we have the bathroom area. Nice sink, nice in-house soaps, flannels, makeup mirror, PowerPoint, and there's the loo, telephone there in case you want to make a call from the loo, as you do, and then the shower unit, there's plenty of space in there, which is good, and then into the bedroom area. One thing we have noticed about this is you're going to get a lot of light pollution through here into this because it's kind of open plan. We'll have to deal with that later. A couple of towels there. This is the bed. These are actually, it's a double bed, but it's like split into 2 mattresses, which is good if one of us is bouncing around for whatever reason. Telephone, TV remote, little reading lights there as well, which is good. TV, if you want to watch Coronation Street and EastEnders and all that jazz. Joking. Same on the other side of the bed. And then this is the money shot, as it were, out here. And then we have our own private pool, which is not too bad at all, is it? And then the view that we've got, how about that? Right across the bay. Isn't that good? Isn't that gorgeous, isn't it? So that is 1417 at the Lindos Grand Hotel, Resort and Spa.
Well, we decided to treat ourselves to something special that the hotel offers, and that is a floating breakfast in your private pool. I mean, how decadent is that? And there was an absolute ton of food on that tray, as you can see, and it lasted, I think we got 2 breakfasts and a lunch out of it. There was tons of it, but it was absolutely beautiful to experience breakfast in the pool like this. Highly recommended it.
Plenty of car parking spaces. There we are, supermarket. Have a little look round. Gifts, souvenirs, creams, t-shirts. There's a few dupes in here, shall we say? Tottenham dupe, Manchester City dupe, shorts, herbs and spices, you name it, they got any of this water, Lilos, that kind of thing, shoes, tons of food, crisps, if you're self-catering anywhere nearby, cereals, chocolates, obviously water, cheese, fruit, sandwiches, you name it, they've got it. I can't think there's anything there that you haven't got. Oh, by the way, the coffee machine in the hotel will only give you, I think it's 4 pods, but if you come into this shop you can buy the pods here, they're at the end of the aisle, and that's them there. €12.40 is decaf, intense and regular. A little tip for you. All crisps down there. Pots, like I say. Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt, even though there isn't a Hard Rock Cafe in Rhodes. I don't think there is, unless I'm mistaken. Snacks, Greek stuff, olive oil. Zethos has been my go-to beer, or Alpha. I prefer it to Mythos, to be quite honest. I think Mythos is basically Carlsberg. Somebody said somewhere. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. Anyway, so that's the shop for you. Not bad, is it? So we come out of the pool area, go down these stairs, it takes you to the restaurants, which are directly underneath the infinity pool. By the pool, there's some toilets just through there. The lift will bring you down as well. First we'll have a quick look at where the spa area is. This is where you get your grey beach towels. Like I said, you give them a couple of cards and then they'll give you a couple of towels. Just bring the old ones back, and then they'll give you some fresh ones if you want them. A little spa, that's what it's called. We haven't actually used the facilities. We normally would have, but for some reason we haven't done this time. But it's just through here. Very smooth. Spa area. I don't really want to go in there because there's people having treatments and blah blah blah. I don't want to disturb them, so we'll go back to where we came in. Conference room in there. So you come down them stairs, like I said. Hello. This is Esplendido Cigar Lounge. Haven't used that. Oh, there's a playroom here. Nearly missed that. So playroom, pool room, and table football. For the kids in us all. This is an adults only hotel, remember, so yeah. And then they have a Notte Giovanni wine cellar in there, so that's where they have wine tasting. I think they do it on a Wednesday night, I'm not sure exactly, but I'm pretty sure I saw it on a Wednesday night. Here's the gym. Obviously if you're working out, it's a great view. See what you're doing. Just another way in. And here are all the restaurants. I think there's 6 altogether, so we have Italian, La Cucina or Cucina, that's where you'll be seated, have a lovely view out to the bay. They've all got the same view. Agistri Fish Restaurant, again, similar view. Now this is the Asian and Japanese restaurants, there's 2 restaurants here. The Japanese one is a fixed price of 120 euros. We haven't used that one, I will say. And then this is where they make food and drink for during the daytime. Aqua and sail. Again, lovely view of the bay. Little bar on the end, I don't think that's in use, to be honest. And then they just take us to some more rooms. That pretty much sums up the hotel. If you've got any questions about it and you want to know anything, just drop me a line in the comments and I'll try and help you out. Enjoy your stay. Cheers. Bye bye.